And of course, my other technician has the other scanner that has all the software I need, so now I gotta wait for him. That's fun. Oh. Little angle. There you go. Oh, I guess I'll get some mileage and VIN number. We do it. Nope. Should be outside using the drop box. Thermostat stuck open so it never reaches normal operating temperature. Yeah, maybe, I don't know yet. Unfortunately, anything 2013 and newer, or I can't remember, 11 or 13, you've got to have a specific software to plug into these things. My other tech has the other scanner for the newer product stuff, so I'm hoping it's, I don't know, maybe thermostat if the fan's not coming on. I'm not 100% sure. Check engine light's on though, so that's a good sign. Finished putting this customer's info in. Bendy code. There we go. Thermostat be easy. It's like a 10-minute fix-ish. Maybe not when it's hot. Oh man, it's already almost 80 degrees here, and it's almost 11 o'clock. Definitely appreciate everybody watching, so throw that out there. Checked in, source, Google. Got a couple of likes going there.